Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 40 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation looks similar in all other browsers, so I'm pretty sure that you will figure out how to clear the browsing data based on this video. Alright, so here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on the X button right next to it. But let's be honest, it is not really efficient way to do that if you've got this list so long. So I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Basically, if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. You can change the time range from last hour to last 4 weeks, for example. And if you're ready, tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed basically everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.